Hi, my name is Jason Gus, and I'm the CEO of Octane Lending. Octane Lending connects powersports dealers with lenders to help secure financing for their customers. Powersports include motorcycles, ATVs, golf carts, personal watercrafts, and snowmobiles. Every year, there are over 2 million powersports units sold, creating over $10.5 billion of loans. Currently, almost all powersports loans are originated at the dealership. The problem is when a dealer goes to apply for financing, they go to the first website, they log in, fill out all the customer information. Then they go to the second website, log in, retype all that same customer information. Then go to the third website, log in, type in all that same information, and so on and so on. After 30 minutes, they may have rekeyed 3, 4, 5 applications. The dealer is frustrated, and worst of all, unlike in auto or in mortgage, each application the dealer sends out dings that customer's credit, meaning that the more applications a dealer sends out, the lower the probability that any given bank will actually approve that loan. So to solve dealer woes, we offer Octane Lending, an online loan application platform that integrates all the different credential sets that dealers have into one simple set, integrates all the different lender forms into one simple form, and adds a pre-approval process which matches banks with lenders so that customers only incur one hard pull no matter how many applications that dealer sends out. Meaning that the more applications you send, actually the higher chances that you'll actually be approved and the better loan terms you'll receive. Meaning that we could have more happy customers on the road riding and more happy dealers moving more units. To kind of give you an idea of just how bad this process is, for a dealer not using Octane Lending, to fill out 5 applications, on average, they have to fill out 250 fields. With Octane Lending, you only need to fill out 65. In addition, 5 applications without Octane Lending equals 5 hard credit pulls. That's on average up to 25 FICO points off your credit score, which should knock you credit tiers or from subprime to not approved. With Octane Lending, only 1 hard credit pull, the minimum. The reason why we're going to win in this space is that we have deep domain experience. Michael Fanfan and I met at Capital One while we were working in their corporate strategy group. Michael spent a rotation in powersports lending, the second largest powersports lender in the country. And when he told me about the financing process in powersports, to be honest, I really didn't even believe him. I'd worked in auto before, and in there it's a very seamless process. And I just couldn't understand, like, how could a car be that different than a motorcycle? They're both vehicles. So we interviewed about 50 dealers from across the country, and we found that for most of them, this was a real pain point that they experience each and every day, several times a day. We brought on Dan Pekovich to direct our product development. Dan taught himself how to code while he was at Yale, where he built Circa, which was an app that was used at its height by over 60% of undergraduates. Following graduation, he worked at Redfin, where his initiatives led to an over $2 million lift in revenue. Now, when we joined DreamIt Ventures, similar to Trendkite, we were an idea on a napkin. We had no dealers, we had no lenders, we had no customers, and we had no product. And just in the simple 5 weeks since launching our product, we've already been written up by the 2 primary motorcycle trade magazines, Powersports Business and Dealer News. We have already partnered with 4 lenders that are paying us between $50 and $200 per loan and provide prime and subprime financing. We have also signed up over 40 dealers, which on an annualized basis produce over $300 million of loans. And most exciting for us, in just the few weeks that we've been on the platform, which the most basic platform available, we have already processed over $1.5 million of loans. For our next steps, we are raising around $500,000 to smartly and efficiently grow our business. The investments that we are going to make will enable us to reach over 500 dealers, become cash flow positive, and reach a run rate of $1 million within a year. In the coming months, we plan to expand on our already great early traction and disrupt an industry that is otherwise tech dry and in need of innovation. I hope many of you will join us for this journey, and I look forward to speaking with many of you after the presentations. Thank you.